That is who Magoha was. And that is what we shall remember of him. And for us, we have lost a friend, we have lost a partner, we have lost a colleague, and we have lost a great giant of this country. And ours today is just to stand with you, Mama Barbara, to stand with your family, to stand with the extended family. The same way Magoha stood with us, we shall also stand with you to the very end. To the people of Gem, be proud to have produced giants such as the one who lies before us. And you are known to produce giants. So musilale, muendelee na kazi, mutuletee wengine, na wengine, na wengine. Tujenge taifa letu la Kenya. Ama namna gani? Tumekubaliana? Na vile Magoha